These are the top 5 accessories for a Volkswagen Caddy. So coming in at number 5, we have got these rubber floor mats. These are about £30. These are absolutely brilliant to have. Keep everything clean, easy to take out. You can clean them, scrub them down. Just keeps the van nice and tidy. And I think it's a really good addition to have. So if you haven't got them, I'd definitely get a pair of those. Right, so coming in at number 4 is the bonnet bra. This is absolutely amazing. I've only just got one of these. You can check out my other video of how to fit it. But I got this from Van Pimps and it's absolutely amazing. It stops all the stone chips wrecking your bonnet, and I think it just makes the van look so much better. So if you've bought a new van or you don't have one, I'd definitely get one of these. If I'm gonna get a new van, the first thing I'm gonna do is get a bonnet bar and stick it on because it makes it look so much better. And like I said, it protects it. Right, let's see what number 3 is. So coming in at number 3 are the Heko wind deflectors. These are absolutely brilliant. It's probably the first accessory I've ever bought on any of my Caddies. So you can get them from eBay. I think again they're around about £30, but they're absolutely amazing. So when you're driving along, first of all, you have the window open, it stops that horrible noise where it's like brrrr. But the best feature is that if it's raining, you can open the window and the rain doesn't come in the van. So you can't obviously open the window all the way down, but you can open it up a little bit and then it stops the rain coming in. And then additionally as well, when you go off camping and sleep in the back of your van, you can open the windows a little bit so they're just hidden underneath the wind deflector here. So from the outside it doesn't look like the window's open, but the great feature about that is that it creates airflow and then it reduces condensation in your van, which is absolutely brilliant. So that is a really good accessory for that one. But let's see what number 2 is. So today's video is sponsored by Beach Rats Designs. They're a clothing company. They've sent me this jumper and I absolutely love it. It's really nice material. I really like it. It's got a really cool design on the back. So if you guys like this jumper, head to their website, there's a link in the description. They've got loads more designs as well. It's to do with like outdoors, adventure stuff, so it really fits in well with the camper lifestyle and the van life. So coming in at number 2, we've got the seat covers from Dryrobe. I absolutely love these. These are amazing. So first of all, they protect your seats from anything that's going to damage them. But the main feature is that they're waterproof and they've got this towel-like material on the inside. So if you go for a surf or a swim and you're cold and you want to be dried off, they're amazing for doing that. They keep really warm and it dries you off really quick. Additionally, I think they do look great. Some people might disagree with me, but compared to what's on the market out there, I haven't seen one that I prefer more that's obviously got the towel-like feature as well. If you know of one, let me know in the comments below. But like always, if there's any more accessories that are better than the ones I'm naming, let me know in the comments below and I'll check them out. Right, let's check out number 1, which I think is the best accessory for a VW Caddy Maxi. So coming in at number 1 for the top accessory of Volkswagen Caddy is the lanyard for the rear barn doors. So without this, you can't open the barn doors from the inside. They just doesn't have a feature on the Volkswagen Caddy to do this. So you can install this lanyard and then that means you can pull it up and then you can open the barn doors from the inside. So that is a great feature, especially if you're going to do a camper and you want to be able to open the barn doors on a nice day and look at the view. And I would say that is my number 1 top accessory for Volkswagen Caddy.